Hi all, I'm Smokeman and today I'm gonna present you Xiaomi EU 1035 for stable version global on my POCOPHONE. As you see, here it is. The fingerprint working fine. This ROM has, as you see here, it's 1035 by Xiaomi EU. The biggest difference in this ROM, it's very smooth. It doesn't have ads. You don't have ads. It has the dark mode enable by default. Here you can change the default. You have double tap to screen to wake, auto rotate, raise to wake, and as you see, the dark screen working fine. Here all dark. Okay, here also in notification, the gallery always in black also. Okay, the video doesn't, it still is, it's white. Calendar also, Teams working, and you can apply new fonts. As you see, you can apply new fonts here. You just have to go to Teams and import your favorite fonts or themes. Okay, the camera, it has IE, HDR, 4K. You have night mode here also, square, panorama, and pro. You have the pro mode here also. Let's take a picture here and see how it goes. Okay, it's like this. You can see improved quality from the default one. You can install also Google Camera without root. You just install the Google Camera, and you can also put the night sight here and take the same photo, hold still, and as you see, the same photo here on night mode. You see a difference. It clearly, you can see the difference. Okay, but both photos with very good quality. Okay, so and nothing much the difference about this ROM from global official. Just the ads you don't have, dark mode you don't have on global official. You have to make another bit tweak in this ROM if you have it here. So nice. And nothing more to say about this ROM. It's very snappy, no bugs at all, running fine. The RAM info with L1 here, but on Netflix it doesn't appear for some reason. I have to install it on the sideways because on Google Store it doesn't appear. As you see, I'm gonna search for Netflix and I can't download from here, so I install it from the Google search. Okay, and working fine. I hope you enjoy it. I am Smokeman and thanks for watching.